Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate call waiting on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and on the right upper corner tap to the three dots. Now just go to the settings, and here you'll see the call in account section. Tap there, and right now just go to the call waiting section. And as can you see here, we got the switcher near the call waiting. Just to activate the call waiting, tap here once on the switcher, read the description, and tap here to open. And as can you see, we just set the call waiting option on our device. And if you want to just turn it off, here tap again on the switcher and wait a couple of seconds, and as can you see, we just disable the call waiting option on our device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.